Now this is Tarangire National Park. Supposed to be 2,000 elephants here, and all kinds of other animals. And we're going to have our picnic lunch here at the entrance to the park. Distributing the box lunches.
I got ads.
There's our first bit of wildlife. Coming down to the watering hole.
That one's got attitude, it chases the other one as well.
One of the features of this park is the Baobab tree. The Baobab is often called the upside down tree, and it looks like its roots are up in the sky. Actually, the limbs in the wet season have very small leaves, some flowers and some fruit, but loses all of its leaves during the dry season. This tree is probably over 1,000 years old. There are many of them in this park.
Because they're everywhere.
This is impala. A male impala with two females.
Fast food for the lion.
2 female and 1 male.
And they say usually call them McDonald's because they're everywhere.
Well, how do you get them out from behind the tree legally? Throw rocks at them?
It's inside of the park. And sometime in the rain season they go out. So you come here in the rain season, you can't find any animal here. Every day they come at different species. Every day.
Oh, look how
That's
thin
the
it
dik-dik.
is.
Yeah, that's the male, they fawn.
That's the full-grown
See how
dik-dik,
they chewing the guns.
the smallest of the antelope.
Try again.
Down there to the zebras.
Oh, by the zebra.
Yeah, down there. Superb.
Wish they'd move. Come on.
Zebra and wildebeest, they go together because zebra have a good eyesight and smelling. But wildebeest have a good memory. They know where there is water. But if the predators came here, the zebra is the one who going to spot the lion or leopard. Detective, yeah.
Okay. This is beautiful.
Yeah.
Look at those. This morning.
Very old Baobab tree.
That's So that's what the wildebeest.
Oh, that.
The baby.
Yeah. On the right. On the left.
Buffalo weaver nests in this Baobab tree.
Every one of them's got different stripes. It's hard to believe.
Like fingerprints to you,
Yeah.
they say.
It's amazing.
It is. Yeah.
Yellowneck
Oh,
sparrow.
here it is.
Oh, down. Sparfall.
Here it is.
SPAW.
Oh, they're gonna be just.
He's stuck.
We're thinking evil thoughts.
Stuck in a dry riverbed.
being stuck. That's how come we're gonna get
Yal sugume.
And he was the one that got a flat tire when we went
Tafuta kwa mbele sasa.
to Kilimanjaro.
Ngoja niwateremshe kwanza.
And he made it. Here they come. This is the Burunge Lake Camp, and we're sort of in the middle of the wilderness just outside of Tanzania National Park. And that's in the distance, Lake Burunge. And a few minutes ago, a dik-dik came up, a very small antelope, and was right here in the front yard. And I'm standing on my veranda of my tented permanent little house. This is my veranda. There's my neighbor's place. Very comfortable, large porch. And here's my tent. And it has this roof structure over the tent. It's very comfortable. This is the inside. 2 double beds. It's quite a large room with mosquito netting. And we have electricity all the time. They have solar power out here. And a desk. This is the bath area. Large shower. And all the comforts of home. Flush facilities. You can even lock the front door. And the room even has a safe. This is a large termite mine. I'm sorry, termite mound next door. The lake's very large, but I understand that it's salty because of the volcanic nature of this area, and that the water is going through the rock, which has a lot of salt in it. So the animals can drink it, but avoid it whenever they have any other choices. A very peaceful place. That's my tent back there. This is the entrance to the main lodge. Very pretty place.
There she is.
Here I am. Hey.
Charger City.
See that?
There were times I think
Champlain, right.
this is great. I'm having a wonderful time.
Like in the
I'm not sure who went.
Yeah, I don't think.
I don't think it's the West.
No, the
I
West
don't think they've been
didn't
over there.
Yeah.
Cosmo's going to do for entertainment.
This is our evening
Because you and
briefing.
Morgan had your experiences.
Yeah, the thing
That's
is,
to be seen.
I have one person in my car that led me to get started today.
Shirley.
Because before I crossed the river, somebody talked to me, and then I just like apply a little bit the brake, and then oh my gosh.
Well, it's 6 o'clock. And it is just lightning, and we're going out on our game drive. Very quiet evening. No lions walking through camp. But we hope to see some lions and some elephants today. We'll see.
Make right on 2 more closer. Zoom in.
Think so? Ah, that is very pretty. Nice sunrise.
I got it.
A beautiful baobab tree with with the sunset behind it.
He's coming.
No, he said he's not common. There's nothing common about him.
He's special.
He's
So
special.
he's special, eh? We have only...
Oh, you're gonna be cute.
Those are
With the mountains in
warthogs.
the back and
It's a long way out there.
Huh.
Ostriches. These are females.
The color of the female is brownish.
Mm-hmm.
And during the nighttime, it's a male because male is black. So the male is staying with the nest.
Oh, how neat.
That's why.
Oh, you can't wake up.
Mhm. It's not very good seed for you.
Oh, well. Okay.
You know? All right. You know?
There's something else in the back there and there to the right. Where
Oh,
I think it
another
may
one.
be another one.
Yeah.
Wait, far away?
Far
Yeah.
away
Yeah,
there.
that's another thing.
You got the binoculars?
Oui. Down with the elephant? What do you think?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's one.
Another.
Not horns, but
Tusks. Tusks.
Oh, there's elephants straight ahead. Straight ahead, there's a herd.
Yeah.
There's a herd.
record the land, record.
Big herd.
The first African elephant. Well, Tanzanian elephant.
Oh, monkey.
There's a warthog in the background.
With the baboon, olive baboon.
All kinds of baboons.
A lot of them. The whole troop is here. The
That's
group
a
of
big
baboon,
herd.
we call it a troop.
Yeah,
Remember the herd we saw in South Africa?
Yeah,
Baboons
but it was
all over
far
the place.
away. Where are they?
out in front. Look in front of us.
There's right there.
Oh, yeah.
All over.
Boy, you only have a minute to photograph those.
Well, they were walking on.
Yeah, they should.
Yeah, we just caught him going across the
I
road.
mean, we got
Thanks
lucky.
to Mike, we saw
We got
them.
lucky for what we got.
Yeah.
Ooh.
They're like fighting, huh?
Well,
That's
somebody
natural.
got too close.
The metric wanna fight them.
Oh, yeah?
Those we call it Loxodonta africana elephant. You see the ears have got like a map of Africa, huh?
Uh-huh.
Beautiful ears.
Yeah. Come on, Mama. Come see us.
Hungry. Ooh, show me your side. Beautiful. Oh, yeah, that's another one.
You see the baby one?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, that's a little. It's about less than 1 year.
Less than 1 year? Pretty young too, but one right there.
But one is a really baby one, huh?
Yeah, right. But then there's a second one right there.
Looks like it's about a teenager.
It's taking a little something as she comes.
Yeah, just.
A little snack.
You know, the protocol of living with the animals, when they get closer, we have to speak very low. Elephant can be weighed up to 7,000 kgs.